In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meme using Canva, a versatile and user-friendly design tool. Whether you're new to graphic design or just looking for a quick and easy way to express your creativity, Canva offers a seamless experience in creating humorous, eye-catching memes that you can share with friends or post on social media. To get started, open your browser and navigate to Canva's website. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a clean and intuitive interface that makes it remarkably easy to get started with your meme-making journey. You'll see a search bar prominently displayed at the top. Go ahead and type in meme. This will pull up a wide array of meme templates that Canva has to offer. It doesn't matter if you're going for something classic or contemporary, there's a template for every occasion and every type of humor. After browsing through the options, take your time to choose a template that resonates with the message or joke you're aiming to convey. There are templates designed to evoke different themes and emotions, so feel free to explore until you find the perfect fit. Once you've settled on your choice, simply click on the template to open it. This will bring up an option to customize this template. Selecting this will open the template in Canva's design editor, where the real fun begins. Now click on the text area within the template. This is where you can get creative with your meme's caption or punchline. Canva offers a variety of fonts to match the tone you're going for, whether it's playful, bold, or sarcastic. Don't hesitate to play around with different font styles and sizes to see what works best for your content. Remember, the text should be clear enough to read, but also not overwhelm any images in the background. This balance is key to making sure your message comes across effectively. Once you've crafted the perfect wording and are satisfied with how your meme looks, you're ready to save your masterpiece. Canva offers several download options, allowing you to choose the format that best suits your needs. Most people opt for a JPEG or PNG file, as these are common formats for online sharing. Simply hit the download button, follow the prompts, and in just a few clicks, your meme will be saved to your device. And just like that, you now have a meme ready to post and share. Whether you're posting on social media or just sending it to a friend, your meme is sure to get some laughs and engagements. Remember, the key to a great meme is creativity and timing, so keep those concepts in mind as you work. Thanks for joining, and happy meme making!